हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू संगीता एजुकेशन। आज ये वीडियो रे आमे 9th क्लास रो इंग्लिश बुक रो नॉन डिटेल टेक्स्ट रो जोटा अछि द ट्रंक ऑफ गणेश सेटा पढ़िबा को चाहछे। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिया पूर्व वीडियो को समस्ते फटाफट लाइक करी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी पाखरे बेल आइकन को प्रेस करी ऑल ए क्लिक कर रखिबा को जमारे पे भूलंतु। तो चलो तो उडे न करी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करबा। तबे चलो तो स्टोरी टा को पढ़िबा। It was just of those days when nothing seemed to go right for Gobinda Maharana. Once again, there was this unhappy incident which kept bothering him. So it was just one of those days when nothing seemed to go right for Gobinda Maharana. ସବୁଦିନ ଭଳି ଆଜି ମଧ୍ୟ ଦିନଟି ଏଭଳି ଥିଲା ଯାହା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ମହାରଣା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ଚାଲୁଥିବାର ଜଣା ପଡ଼ୁନଥିଲା। Once again, there was this unhappy incident which kept bothering him. तो पुणी थरे से दुखद घटना घटिला जहाँ ताकू व्यस्त विब्रत कराई रखिथिला काहाकू गोविंद महाराणा को। At sunrise, he finished his bath in the courtyard and took a glass of tea from his wife's hand. तो कौन है सूर्य उदय बेले सूर्य जो उदय होती से समय गोविंद कौन करना गोविंद ता अगणारे गाधुआ शेष कला ओ टुक ए ग्लास ऑफ टी फ्रॉम हिज वाइफ हैंड। तो तार जो स्त्री थिला ता हाथरू चा ग्लास टी नेला। His finger suddenly slackened and the glass slipped from his hand. It was his first conscious knowledge of the fear he carried. The superstition haunted him throughout his life. तो his finger suddenly slackened. तो तार जो आंगुली हठात कोहल हो जाइथिला वो ग्लास हाथरू खसी पड़िथिला and it was first conscious knowledge of the fear he carried. तो ता मन भितर थिबा भय को नहीं से प्रथम थर पई अवगत हैला बा जानि परिला and the superstition haunted him throughout his life. अंधविश्वास ताकू जीवन सारा घेरी रखिथिला। This day there was a special reason for his gloomy tense manner, for it was the third day in succession that such a thing had happened. तो आज दिनटी तार विषाद तथा उद्वेगजनक अवस्था पछरे एक विशेष कारण थिला। दिस डे देयर वाज ए स्पेशल रीजन फॉर हिज ग्लोमी। तो विशेष कारण रही कारण यह लगातार तृतीय दिन थिला जे एभली एक घटना घटी तृतीय दिन थिला गोविंद महाराणा सहित एपरी घटी। गोविंद हाड लर्न द ट्रेड फ्रॉम हिज फादर। गोविंद कहला ना ता बापा ठारू यही कला बा वृत्ति को शिखिथिला मूर्ति तैयारी करिपार ठीक जे बोली तार बापा ता बापा ठारू शिखिथिला। आज had his father from his father's father the substance of the art of idol making, the Durgas and the Ganesh and the Shivas. तो यह थिला दुर्गा गणेश और शिव मूर्ति तैयारी करिबार कला। नेक्स्ट जीवा में Perhaps I have no right, he told his wife, to meddle with the private lives of gods. That is why they are angry. Perhaps I have been of late using my powers too carelessly, and the icon I have been making are not exactly those my father would have made in his time. So perhaps I have no right. Perhaps I have no right, he told his wife. आशंकाग्रस्त गोविंद तार स्त्री को कहला कौन कहला ना टू मिडल विथ द प्राइवेट लिव्स ऑफ गॉड। तो बोध हुए देवादेवी जो मूर्ति देवादेवी घर जीवन में हस्तक्षेप कर अधिकार मोर नहीं। दैट इज वाई दे आर एंग्री। तो तेणुक से देवादेवी से रागी जाइछंती। परहैप्स आई हैव बीन ऑफ लेट यूजिंग माय पावर्स टू केयरलेसली कौन है बोधहुए किछि दिन धरी गोविंदा कହୁଛି ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ଯେ ବୋଧହୁଏ କିଛି ଦିନ ଧରି ମୁଁ ମୋର କ୍ଷମତା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଅତି ଯତ୍ନହୀନତାର ସହିତ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଆସୁଛି। And the icons I have been making are not exactly those my father would have made in his time. ମୁଁ ତିଆରି କରୁଥିବା ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ସେଭଳି ନୁହେଁ ଯେଉଁଭଳି କି ମୋ ବାପା ତାଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ତିଆରି କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଏକଥା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ କହୁଛି ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବା ଆମେ ସୁଲୋଚନା looked at her husband with frightened eyes. Perhaps he was right, she thought, but maybe he was growing older, and his hands and eyesight were not as strong as before. Sulochana looked at her husband with frightened eyes. ସୁଲୋଚନା କ'ଣ କରିଛି ନା ତା ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଭୟାତୁର ଆଖିରେ ସୁଲୋଚନା ତା ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଚାହିଁଛି ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ମହାରଣାକୁ ଏବଂ perhaps he was right, he thought, but maybe he was growing older and his hand and eyesight were not as strong as before. ତ ବୋଧହୁଏ ତାର ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଠିକ୍ କହୁଥିଲେ ଏଭଳି ସୁଲୋଚନା ଭାବିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ହେଇପାରେ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇଗଲେଣି ଏବଂ ପୂର୍ବ ଭଳି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋବିନ୍ଦର ଯେଉଁ ହାତ ଏବଂ ତାର ଯେଉଁ ଆଇସାଇଟ୍ ରହିଲା ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଶକ୍ତି ସେତେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ନୁହେଁ, ସେତେ ସବଳ ଓ ତୀକ୍ଷ୍ଣ ହୋଇ ରହିନାହିଁ। You must be tired working without a break, she said, her words betraying her simplicity. ତ ଟିକେ ବିଶ୍ରାମ ନ ନେଇ କାମ କରି ତୁମେ ଥକି ପଡ଼ିଲଣି, ସେ କହିଲା। she said. ସୁଲୋଚନା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ମହାରଣାକୁ ଏଠି କହୁଛି। ସେ କହିଲା ଓ ତାର କଥା ତାର ସରଳତାକୁ ଉପହାସ କରୁଥିବାର ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା। her words betraying her simplicity. You know what day it is? He studied her for a moment and continued. And I'm already late on the late Ganesh. So ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ଆଜି ଦିନଟି କ'ଣ? You know what day it is? ଗୋଟିଏ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତ ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା ନା ଗୋବିନ୍ଦା ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ନିରୀକ୍ଷଣ କରି ଚାହିଁ ରହିଲା ଏବଂ he studied her for a moment and continued. ଏହି ବଡ଼ ଗଣେଶ ତିଆରି କରିବାରେ ମୋର ପ୍ରାୟ ଡେରି ହୋଇଗଲାଣି। I am already late on the late Ganesh. What had gone wrong? He could not understand. Making an image was child's play for him. Only in this case, the idol was somewhat larger than most, the trunk a little heavier, a trifle longer. That was all. What had gone wrong? तो कौन भूल करा जाइछि? He could not understand. से गोविंद बुझी पार नथिला। Making an image was child's play for him. मूर्ति गढ़िबा पाई गोटे पिला खेल थिला ता पाई। तो गोविंद पाई कि मूर्तिटीए गढ़िबा गोटे पिला खेल थिला। अवश्य ए क्षेत्र में मूर्तिटी अधिकांश मूर्ति ठारू अपेक्षाकृत बड़ आकार थिला, जेपरिक गणेशर शुंढ टिके अधिक ओजनिया और सामान्य लंबा थिला। बस एतिकी। तो दैट वाज ऑल। बस एतिकी। नेक्स्ट जीवा में perhaps the clay he had been using was just that measure, sort of its adhesive quality, which makes for a smooth tight binding. तो बोध हुए गोविंद व्यवहार करुवा माटी अठाड़िया अंशर परिमाण किसी कम थिला, जहाँकि अठाड़िया माटी को बुझाऊँ माटी को भल कर बांधि रखी थाए, जोटा कि which makes for a smooth tight binding, but it was the same clay he had been using for years. हेले एभली माटी तो से वर्ष धरी व्यवहार करुथिला, जेउथिरे से असंख्य मूर्ति को सुंदर करी गढ़ी बिक्री करथिला। For innumerable images he had perfected and sold. Then why the sudden tear at the point where the elephant trunk took a turn and swung gently downward? ताहेले सुंढटी मोड़ी होइथिबा जगारे हठात भांगी पड़ुथिला और सुंढटी तल आड़कू सामान्य भाव में झुली पड़ुथिला किपरि? Was the weight too heavy for the clay mood of the image bag to support it? तो ताहेले मूर्तिर मुह को आकृति देवा परिप्रेक्षी यार ओजन बहुत ओजनिया हो जाता कि सुलोचना डिड नॉट वांट टू क्वेश्चन हिम अबाउट हिज वर्क। सुलोचना स्त्री सुलोचना ता स्वामी गोविंदा को कार्य विषय किसी प्रश्न करने को चाहू नथिला। For she knew that he was one of the best image maker in the whole valley। कारण से जानी सुलोचना जानी जे तार स्वामी गोविंद जी था सारा उपत्यकार सर्वश्रेष्ठ मूर्तिकार थिला। गोविंद महाराणा इमेज इट्स हार्ड टू फाइंड बेटर वर्क देन हिज। गोविंद महाराणार मूर्ति सतरे तार मूर्ति तैयारी कला अन्य केउठारे पाइबा असंभव। सी हैड हियर्ड द townsfolk often say he was one of the few excellent craftsmen left and she nursed her pride in secret। तो सहर लोक मैंने अनेक समय एभली कथा कहूथिबार से शुणुला सुलोचना शुणुला। एबे बंची थिबा अल्प केते जण कारीगर मध्यरी गोविंद महाराणा होची सर्वश्रेष्ठ थिले एवं से निजर स्वामी प्रति थिबा जो गर्व को निज हृदय लुचाई रखिथिला। And yet some inner voice hammered at her. Was it because he had asked for a better price? A rather exorbitant one. Then, what was considered reasonable for an image? Reasonable lord and image of that size. She was convinced that her husband was a righteous man। तो कौन है and yet some inner voice harmed at her। तथापि किछि अंतः स्वर तांकर हृदय को प्रकार करुथिला। गणेशर प्रतिथर शुंड भांगी जिबा कौन गोविंदर अधिक बरम चढ़ा मूल दाबी करिवार एक प्रतिफलन थिला कि। Then what was considered reasonable lord and image of that size? तो जो तैयारी मूल्य से भली आकार मूर्तिर सठिक मूल्य ठारू बहुगुण अधिक थिला। तो she was convinced that her husband was a righteous man। सुलोचना निश्चित थिला जे तार स्वामी जी थिले जणे न्यायवंत व्यक्ति थिले। But was not it possible that his seeming greed provided her surmise was correct had ignored the unknown। तो सुलोचना निश्चित थिला जे तार स्वामी जणे न्यायवंत व्यक्ति थिले हेले यह कौन संभव नथिला जे तांकर गोविंदर लोभ अजना अदृष्ट शक्ति रगाई देथिला ईश्वरको जोटा कि प्रोवाइडेड हर सरमाइज वाज करेक्ट हैड इग्नोरेड द अननाउन जोटा कि अजना अदृष्ट शक्ति ईश्वर को रगाई देथिला गोविंदर लोभ ईश्वर को रगाई देथिला। तो पार्ट 1 तो एतिक थिला। ये वीडियो रे हमें पार्ट 1 रो जा जा थिला डिस्कशन करिदिले। यार नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे हमें पार्ट 2 विषय डिस्कशन करिबा। तो वीडियो को भल लागिथिले सांग मान सहित निश्चित भाव शेयर करेंगे।